Learning at our school. Learning with the friends. The magic school band.
Oh, hey kids, I made you a pie.
Ew, why does it look like that?
I don't know, I can't read the recipe.
Well, why can't you, Mrs. Pearlstein?
I'm not really sure. My eyes have just gone cloudy.
I know how to fix this. To the van!
Hi, kids!
We're going inside Granny's eye.
Yay! I knew I should have stayed home today.
Arnold! Welcome to the cornea.
That's the lens? Is it supposed to be that cloudy?
Excellent observation, Ralphie. The lens is supposed to be clear, but does anyone know what that means? Well, I have a friend at Alcon who could help.
What's Alcon? Oh, I know! They're the leaders in eye care. They make cataract lenses, contact lenses, eye drops, tools for eye surgery, and a lot of other things.
Well, how about we give them a call?
Miss Brazel, we can help!
Is when you have cataracts is what becomes clouded because proteins tend to build up as you age.
So I work at Alcon because not only have they helped me meet my financial goals outside of work, but there's a lot of growth inside of the company. You can learn a lot of different jobs.
I've always been in manufacturing, so this is a perfect place with a lot of different processes to expand horizons and learn new things. But I think I can speak for a lot of people when I say it's also really fulfilling to help the gift of
I was in and I was out and it felt like an hour.
Yeah, Alcon was so fun. The employees are so nice and you got to see all the parts of the eye like this.
This is the magic school band.
Yes?
In this scene, they showed the lens being cloudy. Why does it become so cloudy?
Well, as you get older, your eye wears. This causes tiny scars and materials to break down and clump together, blocking light.
I have one more question. What is so cool about manufacturing?
What's so cool about manufacturing?
With the magic school band.